Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. And those who are new to my channel, and kindly subscribe the channel to get more updates. And this video, I'm going to discuss about the long build-up stocks in options, particularly the option which building a long. And I'm going to find out the option which is quite liquid for tomorrow. And we find out some opportunities yesterday like ITC and Tata Power. We made a shorts video in Bajaj Finance and that was working well today. And those who are watched my shorts video and my videos yesterday, and you know well about how the stock is performing. And today's video, how I'm going to find out a huge build-up, long build-up stocks in this list. And I'm going to open that Excel sheet which we are calculating that uh, overall long build-up option. So here we can find out the long build-up and what is about a delta, theta, gamma. So let me simply going to find out the filters, and easily we are going to filter the stocks. And let me go for ATM strike prices. Also we can filter out as a nearby. So maybe around this should be ATM strike prices if you are filtering out. And Maruti, ICICI, ONGC, Infosys 1340, Divi's Lab 3500, and ICICI Bank and Maruti. So it's based on the delta value we have filtered out. So we can go for all the delta values, because here we find out some OTM options also. Okay, so OTM options delta may be 0.3. Input option also here today ICICI Bank in the put side having a long build up, and some other strike price like call side is also we are building a long side. But overall stocks which we are going to focus here based on the contracts, number of contract which is traded today, the Reliance which forming a doji candle may be the stock which we can focus for tomorrow, a particular Reliance doji, and IndusInd Bank 1300. And let me add the stocks, and we find out based on yesterday's long build up stocks on our charting scanners and screeners, that we simply finding out some stocks with our dashboard. And we find out options for tomorrow's dashboard. That is what a dashboard we are created for trading. And today M&M is the top stocks in Tata Power, PFC from the beginning it was on the top list, and downside Balakrishna and Power Grid. But the stock in downside doesn't move more than 1% initially in the morning. But here M&M and Tata Power and PFC, that was a great move where it has moved higher, PFC. And I finding that strike price and 170, I think, sorry, PFC is around, yeah, 165, 170 call option. That is looking good, 170. Today such a big move, and initially it started here 7 rupees and then it went up to 10 rupees plus. There is a 3 rupees movement on this particular stock which is having a huge buildup. I'm tracking this one. And finally, which closed around 8.25. No problem at all for that closing. And we are waiting for an opportunity that was given today based on this first candle should be the spinning top candle, and after that breakout. So there is a good opportunities on this particular stock. And today, so we find out a lot of stocks, and let me filter out the stocks with our for charting scanners, and can paste that one. So these are all the stocks. From this list, lot of stocks we have multiple times it's repeating on the same prices. So that's why we are removing that duplicates, and we find out finally 77 unique stocks. That is what totally 76 stocks, because one should be a symbol. Okay, so those are all the stocks which we find out almost 70, exactly 76 stocks which we find out 75 for our breakout, and 75 stocks will be there in the list. And let me go to save on a notepad. So to directly import here in this notepad to that particular charting scanners, I've just uploaded that as a notepad, and we need to create a dashboard. And after creating a dashboard watch list, we have to create, already we have a long build up stock 66. Yesterday from this list, we find out some stocks that is going to reach for tomorrow. So let me add a view. So we need to remove this all. So one by one, we have to empty watch list. Okay. Okay. So simply I'm going to add that particular stocks, the test which I am going to upload that file. And if I'm uploading, so almost 75 stocks were added. So these are all the stocks which is build up a long build up in options. Maybe from this list tomorrow I can go for tomorrow stocks. No need to change for our dashboard simply. That dashboard will be working for us. And let me, yeah, you can see the dashboard is completely changed. And GMR, City Union Bank, Balakrishna, maybe the short build-up stocks. And ICICI General Insurance, BHEL, M&M, and RBL Bank are those stocks which is building alongside. So here today I have updated the sheet for a long build-up stocks. So those are all the stocks which is build up on long build up on the option itself. Okay, so tomorrow I can focus these stocks from this list if I find out any long build up here. Updated here, and tomorrow top stocks which I can focus for a call option trading opportunity. And here the stock is short build up, sorry, the long build up in a put side. And tomorrow I can focus top stocks for a put side trade opportunity. Maybe that list will helping you to find out the right opportunity, this dashboard and other things which is available on our Telegram paid Telegram group. It's not going to give a free. And let me go for so let I'm going to check with the GMR infra. If I'm going to GMR infra, you can see that put option having a long build up. Okay, sorry, yeah, put option is a long build-up, so I can simply filter out the stocks, how many strike prices which is building alongside CMR, yeah. So if I filter out, you can see the put option 40, which is having a long build-up, and almost 2,359 contract which is traded on this particular option, and almost 300% which increased. And look at this other factor, change in the OI factor. So that is what on a stock which we can focus for tomorrow based on our scanners which we have filtered out by the open interest basis and also long build-up. So a lot of stocks, the top IRCTC also is a huge build-up, ITC. So maybe tomorrow, what are the stocks which we can go for? ITC, PHEL, Titan, IRCTC, Tata Power. These are all the some quality stocks and IndusInd Bank. So having you can see the volume and contract that would be a higher volume that may be better for tomorrow. So we can focus the stocks tomorrow to get a good opportunity, and we'll track the stocks and watch the stocks for tomorrow too. And if you like this video, hit your like button and share to your friends. This dashboard, which I'm going to share on my Telegram group, sorry, and my yeah, somewhere about my paid Telegram group. The link also be available on my website, and also direct link for that particular Telegram group also will be there. If you're interested, you can join on that group. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel.